Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Ascent. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.